Being back at NBA Live Mobile. Today, I'm going to do a crossover pack opening. So, now they added another one. So, you can buy 4 now. So, let's open all of them. So, I hope I can get an elite here. We got that international Anderson Varejao. Wow, what a nice card. So, I'm getting trash. Why are are they not giving me elites? Now down to my last one, and no elites, guys. So maybe I'm gonna do open some eight. I'm gonna open 8 of these. So maybe I can pull an elite. Maybe. Deepa. So last 5, guys. So pucks are way too cold. Let's look at the throwback Brandon Jennings. IT. For the last one, Marvin Williams. So that was a trash pack opening. I don't know why. I should have bought a two-way elite players or something good. Fudge, what's this? So that's it, guys. So hope you guys like the video and subscribe for more videos. This is Scalpel Gaming out.